Here I have a brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra phone that I have been waiting for so long, and this is an exclusive color that is only available on Samsung.com. We will also check with the color, the iPhone 13 Pro blue color that I have, the Sierra blue color I have. We will check with and compare with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra phone and see which color looks better. Okay, all right, let me unbox this and let's see what we have inside. Here we have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and this is a sky blue color, exclusively available only on Samsung.com. All right, let's open the box and see what we have inside here. All right, let's open the box. So as usual, skinny box. You want to see the color? So this is a sky blue color, you can see it. We will also compare with the Sierra blue color from Apple iPhone 13 Pro that I'll show you later on. But let's see what else we have inside the box. We have a SIM ejector pin here, USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, and some terms and conditions and a quick guide here. I'm not going to review this about all the specs stuff. I don't have to tell you this now. It's already too late to tell you, describe you everything about this phone since you have watched everywhere, right? We're just gonna check this phone. I will definitely not going to review it, but I will definitely put my thoughts on it once I utilize this phone for a couple of weeks. So you can see the camera lens. It's huge lens than previous phone. Definitely looks really good in here. And the side black, you know, normally they have aluminum, the steel frame. I don't know if this is aluminum as well or not, but this is black frame here. This is totally different from what you get with the regular color. And at the bottom here you can see the SIM card tray here, microphone, USB-C, speaker grill, and S Pen. Let's see what color S Pen I have received with this phone. S Pen baby, with the blue color in here. Blue color S Pen. Power button, volume up and down button, and nothing else on the other side. On the top there's a microphone opening there, and on the back it's like frosty glass blue color, sky blue color. Sky blue. Do you like it? It's really good color, you know. I really like the color. Let me remove this plastic. Oh, it looks cool. All right, let me turn on the phone. Okay, you have to agree privacy policy, nearby phone, answer decline call. Yeah, you have to agree all the permission for the Samsung apps, connect your network. You can skip this, do it later on, or you can do it right now. Let's skip right now. Skip anyway. I don't want to copy right now. I don't want to copy from my previous phone yet. I'll just go through it. I'll just skip everything right now just to get inside the phone and see. Wow, it looks really premium on your hand. Really nice camera here. I don't know, we're gonna check that later on. Yeah, It's pretty fast. Definitely. At least I have to use a couple of weeks to check how fast it will still remain. Definitely it will still remain faster than the previous Galaxy phone if you had one. All right, let's see the specs. What do I have over here? Software information is here: 4.1 One UI version and Android 12 version. That's what the Android 12 is. All right, guys. You can see the battery capacity is 50 level right now. It's 500 milliamp battery right here. Here I'm going to show you how it sounds like when you write something on S Pen. Once you take it out, even in the lock screen, definitely you can write it immediately. It's a little wobbly because of the camera bump. You need to hold it somewhere. Hello everyone. Welcome. To my channel. It feels like you're writing on actual paper with a pen or pencil, right? Let me erase that and you will also hear that sound. Isn't that awesome? I kind of like the color. As you have already known the specs of the camera, now they have started writing IMEI number right on below the Samsung badge here. This is definitely a unique sky blue color. It doesn't match with this the Apple iPhone 13 series Sarah blue color. So I will also show you that color and compare with you guys and see if you liked it or not. And another thing is that this looks like plastic. I don't know. It feels like plastic. It's not an aluminum, the rail. So it's really comfort on your hand and it's so smooth so far. Very, very smooth. You can play Samsung TV when you connect it. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Let me know what you think about this phone. I'll definitely come up with another video and we'll compare with the iPhone color and see how it looks like. That's all for unboxing. I also have accessories that I have received, but I need to wait until it's shipped to me. But for now, that's all. I'll show you another video again. The metal ring here. This is also blended with the blue color. Yeah, man, it looks really, really good and feels so good. But these are the plastic. It's not like metal that we had before. I don't know what you guys have with the regular Samsung. This is exclusive Samsung color. That's why it's really totally different. But the S Pen really match with the color. That's good. But that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.